Yo, I was not gonna record just now, but we're here looking at Christmas lights and it is chaos. We were lucky to find parking. Look at this. Oh look, it's a husky. Got Leo down here. It is a massive jam. What is going on? Anyway, onto the Christmas lights. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. I have this new tool Linda got me for Christmas. Basically, you can pump up your tires at home. It's portable. Can't wait to test it out. And Ivan and I jumped onto the deals and we got ourselves new jack stands. So now we got 4. I have been cleaning up this garage because it's just a mess over a year. It's just full of clutter. I've done a bit so it looks a bit neater, but I still want this table cleared out. Tools sorted, wheels placed somewhere else. I don't know, but it's all preparation for tomorrow's barbecue. Josh's daily.
Definitely not gonna fit. Look at where the pipe has to sit. So it's gotta go like back there.
Oh, I see what you mean with the battery tray now.
Yeah. That ain't fitting.
How is the Evo life versus the Golf as a daily?
The Golf is a better daily, but the Evo is a lot more fun.
A lot cooler, right?
Yeah.
Do you get like heads turned?
Heaps of heads turned.
Oh man.
And the kids love it.
I wish this was my daily too. No one looks at my car, man.
You put some big dish wheels on it.
Yeah, and then you get the cops looking at you too. Have you had any encounters of highway patrols yet?
No cop trouble yet.
Were you driving through double demerits with this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But I think because it's silver, it's a bit more low key.
Yeah, it's on a pretty good height too.
Yeah.
It's not too low stance, thick tires. Bro, they will call this stretch, believe it or not. They will dick you for that. It's crazy.
It's this small stretch because they're 9.5s. The 235. If I go any wider, I'll scrub.
Yeah, you would definitely scrub, and it's not like fully pumped out road here. Pretty OEM looking. Yeah, it's just rolled. It's not pumped out. Bruh, who did this? Jesus. Pump it out, bro. Get 245s.
No. Because I don't have to get 245s in the front.
Yeah, true.
And the front's harder to make it fit.
That's the stress about all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Oh, hate it. What a daily. Must be nice, bro.
Oh yeah, that's way brighter than the other side.
Show us. Oh yeah. Now I can see you actually braking. What about your indicators?
We don't talk about that. Where are the indicators? No.
How about your airbox? Huh? Does it fit your Evo?
No.
No.
Straight bolt-in, wasn't straight bolt-in.
2 losses.
Look at this. Look at those number plate lights, man. What is that?
That is
That's a granny
disgusting. you got LEDs for that?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh,
Shit. Look at that.
Doof,
X2
doof.
is right there, man.
oh, what's going on?
So much shit in your boot.
Look at this. How many sandals do you need, man? Do you have like octopus legs? Gee.
That's quality install.
Strap down, bro.
Yeah. Stop touching my shit. Oh, the spider web.
Is this the difference?
Yeah.
Halogen and LEDs. Man, the LEDs are huge. Oh, the LEDs. Wow.
Jesus, it's actually pretty. It's pretty.
Yeah, and then you got the. This is meant to be sticking out like that, like heaps.
Yeah, that's the only difference I found between this and the ADM. The ADM one, it sits flush, but this pokes out.
Who did this?
Oh, Ivan owes me a 1/4 inch.
What the?
You know what happened?
What happened there?
That zapped on the battery, and then it just.
Really?
Yeah, it just never worked again. It was never a ratchet. Doing a random fix on my boot right now. The boot latch wouldn't make the boot open, so we're trying to see what we can do. Oh,
Still good.
so going back left or going right?
I'm gonna line it. So I'm gonna loosen it and then drop it down on it slowly.
Right, let's try. Stuck? Damn.
It's pretty dry.
No.
Why?
I don't know. This boot is like shifted to the left more. So we're trying to find out why it doesn't open up first hand.
If you had these stoppers to like push it,
Yeah.
did it have stoppers?
Well, it's. I just learnt.
It's kind of melting. But like, if you look when you close it, it doesn't contact it at all.
Yeah, because
On
it's
that side.
way off. It's way off left.
That's why it's not popping up.
Probably.
Yeah.
Hello, Leo. Alright. Oh, I hear it. I heard that. Ooh. I'll close again. Go. Yeah. Nice. So what you do?
I just I bent the latch a bit more over.
Oh, you just moved the latch?
Yeah.
Ah.
Like I moved it because what's going on? Being a bit needy, huh? Yeah, I just moved it because the boot's sitting over there. I just moved it over there a bit more. Obviously, if you straighten the boot, you'll need to
Yeah, readjust. Oh. I'm probably not fast. As long as the boot's opening, I'm cool. Sick. Thank you. Man, that was so annoying.
shots, bros. Baileys, and then some whipped cream on top.
What kind of whipped cream? Hey yo!
You know what that shot's called? Blood job.
It's called a blowjob.
Blood job.
Hey yo! Josh, show us how you meant to drink it.
Now,
Yeah, go.
now, I'll do
If you
another one.
want, go.
Oh, you already went. Oh, you go already.
What a pro.
I'll do another one.
You did it for YouTube.
Bak Saja. Bagus sekali. Bagus.
Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong, bro. I didn't probably explain. It's me and Ivan's birthday today. That's why we're having a barbecue. Say hi.
I didn't know why in my head I was like terrible. How old are you turning?
Too old. Too old now. Sad day, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm filming. Yeah. Alright, here's Harry. He's got a long gift. Oh my god.
There it is.
Harry's got, I'll
this
say,
is what I
a
was
whole
talking.
gazebo.
Yeah, this is what I was saying. So this is just the weights, yeah.
Oh shit. Jesus, Harry. Thank you.
There you go, no worries.
Okay. Harry got us a gazebo.
A gazebo. A gazebo.
Thanks, bro.
No
Appreciate
worries.
it.
Happy birthday. And hopefully it fits more than anything.
Yeah, that's the main concern.
Yep. We'll see.
We actually needed it.
Yeah, should be it.
Yeah. Is it heavy, Will? No, G. Here we go.
Lightweight.
There's another project for the garage.
That's it. That's it.
Sick. So you just add water in that?
Yeah, that's it.
Whew. Sick. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Alright, happy birthday.
Hey guys, just like that, we are 27. It's been really quick. Life has just been going too fast. Yeah, I still can't believe I turned 27, and I don't know what to say. I started YouTube in 2019. I had no plan but just to work on my cars, and fast forward to 5 years later, looking back, I'm glad I started the time I did, and I also wish I started earlier so I could have documented more about the chaser. But guys, if you're thinking of doing something or pursuing your dream, just do it now and don't wait for that perfect moment, because honestly there's no such thing as a perfect moment to start. You just start. Life has just been going so fast and it's getting scary because we're getting closer to 30. Last year 2024 was such a huge year that it just went by just like that. You know, we went to Black Label, we saw Rex, we got Clay, even with Jordan, and I don't know, just a whole bunch of content I've created. If you haven't yet, check them out. It's just been a crazy 2024. I did 24 videos, not including shorts, and yeah, that's probably the most I've done in my whole time with YouTube. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys again for another year of supporting my channel. I don't know what 2025 is going to bring, but I'm excited to push through and see what I can do with the content. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hope we hit 2K because we're halfway there now. And yeah, I don't think I have that much to say, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching, you silly gooses. See you next time. Peace.